homemade pizza Eid-Adha 2021 edition. In this video, I will show you how to make pizza step by step. As for the recipe, you can use whatever you find online. Ready? Let's get started. Step 1. The dough. Prep yeast and dry ingredients. Cut open the yeast packet and pour into a bowl. Add some warm water. On the side, add flour, sugar, salt, and oil into a mixing bowl. Then add the yeast mixture. Add water if needed. Mix together. Knead the dough. Put some oil. Let it rest for 30 minutes. Step 2. Prep the topping. For this video, these are the toppings I will use. You can use whatever toppings you like. Be creative. Chop tomatoes and pineapple into small size. Then chop the rest into thin slices. Lastly, cook the beef in oil. Step 3. Assemble. Ready the dough. Roll it, tear it into half, and shape it into a ball. Pat it and roll it into a round. Next, the sauce. Spread the sauce all over the dough. Leave some spaces at the edges. Next, add toppings of your choice. Lastly, spread the cheese all over the toppings. Step 4. Into the oven. Wait for 20 to 30 minutes. Step 5. Cool down. Time to eat. That is it for this video. You can try to make a homemade pizza at your home during the MCO. Follow the step by step. Thanks for watching. Please like and share.